Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Commerce Cuts. I'm your teacher Umair. Students, in today's class we are going to discuss transaction and its types. Are you ready for this class? Let's start this class. Welcome back, students. Students, let's jump straight into the definition of transaction in accounting. Any dealing between two or more persons using money as medium of exchange is called transaction. Now, here is an important term, dealing. What is meant by dealing? Dealing means it is an agreement between two or more persons. So, the first thing is dealing means when you are talking about dealing, it means it is an agreement between two or more persons. Using money as medium of exchange is called transaction. Let's take an example first. For example, as we said, the transaction should be between two or more persons. Let's take two persons here, person A and B. A want to buy machinery worth of $200,000 from Mr. B. B is selling this machinery and A wants to buy this machinery for in exchange of cash $200,000. So what is transaction? For transaction there must be a deal. So the first thing what they do, as we said that dealing is an agreement. They make an agreement or dealing, A and B. So A and B are two persons. They are agree upon what? Buying and selling of machinery. So, and they are also using money as medium of exchange. Money as medium of exchange. So you can say that this agreement is transaction. So any dealing between two or more persons using money as medium of exchange is called transaction. Now there are two types of transactions normally, cash transactions and credit transactions. In the cash transactions, what happens? Money is paid at the time of transactions. At the time of transaction, money is paid. But in credit transaction, the money is paid in the future. Money will be paid in future. So you can say that this is a credit transaction. This example is an example of a cash transaction because A is buying this machinery for cash. Like A is paying cash on the spot. At the time of transaction, A is paying cash. So this example is an example of cash transaction. But if A is saying to B that I will pay you this $200 after 3 months. After 3 months. Then this transaction will become a credit transaction because A is promising B that I will pay you this $200 after 3 months. So then this transaction will be like a credit transaction. You got it? So what is transaction? Transaction is any dealing between two or more persons using money as medium of exchange is called transaction. I think so. You guys got my point and clear your doubts. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I will reply you. And please like this video, subscribe this channel, and share this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.